I've mentioned the word until a couple of times. The word while in our loops can be replaced with the word until if required, and this allows the nature of the conditional test to be reversed. The loop will keep on executing until the condition exists, rather than whilst the condition exists. A do until has exactly the same structure as a do while. The conditional check is at the end of the code, meaning that the code inside the loop will execute at least once. So a good example program to use to illustrate a do until is a password checker. The user is asked for a password, and the program will keep on asking them for a password until they enter a correct one. So here's our program. In order to do some checking and to allow the program to continue, we'll use a control variable. The control variable we'll use this time is called proceed. It's a number, and we'll give it the value 0 to start with. And that doesn't change until the user enters a valid password. So the loop starts here. They'll be asked or told it's a secure system. They've got to enter their password, which is stored as a string. If that string matches the word password, obviously in a real system it would be a bit more secure than this, then we can output a message, sorry, that password is incorrect. A couple of blank lines with some asterisks to indicate on the screen that some output has occurred. And then the program would come down beyond the end if and loop until proceed is equal to 1. Well, proceed was set to 0 at the beginning, so proceed isn't equal to 1, so therefore the until condition hasn't yet been met, so therefore the loop will repeat. And it will keep on doing that until proceed is set to 1. Proceed gets set to 1 on the else condition of the if. So if the password is actually equals to password rather than not equal to, then that condition evaluates to false, and therefore the else case is triggered and proceed will be set to 1. The end if statement will then signify the end of the if statement, and the loop until proceed equals 1 will then evaluate to true, and the program can continue. So that's a simple little program to use. We'll just run it. This is a secure system, please enter your password. Well, we'll try and guess it, so we'll type in Fred. Sorry, that password is incorrect. This is a secure system, please enter your password. Hello. Sorry, that password is incorrect. This is a secure system, please enter your password. Well, we'll try password. Oh, thank you. You've gained access to the system. So the loop is executed. Now our program could then continue. So you might like to have a look at that program and maybe use the debugging feature that I've showed you in class. If you don't know how to use the debugging feature, then you can look at one of the supplementary sessions on Blackboard to download the video on how to do debugging and what that can do for you.